Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you what is new and added in the new CapCut version. So I noticed that in the comments, some of you say that you cannot find the basic category on the video effects. That's because the CapCut new version has moved some of the effects on the basic into other category. So here are the list. Some of the lists that are new on CapCut. So first I'm going to go to the video effects. So if you guys knew before, there was a basic category, but now the effects on the basic category has been moved into the either into the opening and closing, like the halo blur, the slanted blur, vertical blur, and other effects. And also there are some of the effects which are moved into the nightclub tab, like the camera shake, the flicker, or the other effects. So in here, basically, if you can't find the basic, you can just open the tab in here one by one and you'll find the effect that you want. Okay, so that's in the video effects. Also in the body effects, there are some changes made by the CapCut team, like there are many new effects like this, like mosaic clone, drag clone, apparat, and vortex, like this, but it can only be used by the CapCut Pro user. So if you are on the free CapCut, you can't use it. Okay, the last thing that I want to show you on which is new on CapCut is now you can use keyframe on the effects. So I'm going to just use, for example, this effects right here, and in here you can add keyframe like this, like lower it. You can adjust the settings like so you can have different like opacity of the effects in your video. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.